Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, uh, daily chart real quick. I mean, what we've got here is a band ride. I mean, it's pretty simple. We talked about the yellow line there, the 100-day exponential moving average yesterday, and how price continued to bump up there. And if they weren't able to convert it, it was going to invite a move down. The bears took full advantage of that, taking it all the way down to the lower band through the 200-day exponential moving average there, the purple line, and actually engaged the gray line there, which is the third standard deviation band. Typically somewhere down there, and the trick is the somewhere, okay, for people that want to try to pick a low, you get a bounce. What's also very typical is the fact that the bounce comes back up to the area of the lower band, and the lower band acts, at least for a day or two, maybe not that long, as resistance. So we've had a move up overnight to 2108. Imagine the lower Bollinger Band coming right down here. We go down to 91, we bump our head, we come back down. Now, higher lows are created here and lower highs. So something, and it bumped its head again on the lower band at 2104. Remember, Bollinger Bands are moving targets. I mean, they're constantly changing. You can't stick a line on a chart and say that's the band, because it won't be in 5 minutes. So after failing that 28 to 36 key price zone, I mean, it opened up a very nice day. And if the lower band wants to cooperate, then today will be a really nice day to sell some rallies. I would imagine, though, if not today, then by tomorrow, we're going to end up back inside the bands. There's just too much uncertainty related to the election. They come out with the ABC tracking, Washington Post tracking poll, 7 a.m. Eastern every morning, and that's been moving the tape. Yesterday it talked about Trump potentially being in the lead. It's all within the margin of error, but that knocked the market down. And you can see at 7 o'clock this morning, it talked about things being tied, and that that indicated that Clinton had gained some ground overnight, and that moved the market up. So we are within a week of the election. I don't talk politics in my room. I only talk the dynamics of things that could move the tape. So be aware, if you're putting really big positions on at 6:58 in the morning, that there's a poll that's coming out every day that's tracking the election that seems to want to move the tape. Maybe not forever, but certainly long enough to get you stopped out on something. So just be aware. As we head into today, I'm watching 08 over the top. I'm watching the daily pivot there. On the downside, if the bears want to keep this party going, they need lower lows. So 91 is a big deal. It looks like 94 to 93 wants to be higher low support, and that's a big deal too. So that 91 to 93 area has to go. If it can, then it starts to open up potential moves down. There are going to be bear market rallies along the way, but ultimately, as long as price wants to remain below the daily midband, we remain in sell rallies mode. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us over at Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. New month, come on in. It's been a great week. It was a great month last month. This month is shaping up the same way. We love trading in the fall, so come check us out. We would love to meet you. It's a great group of people. And if you trade this stuff every day, don't trade it in a vacuum. Come and see us. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.